The farm-to-factory journey begins here.
We prioritize the welfare of our flock. This gentle approach ensures both quality and sustainability for the Golden Yoke brand.
The entire process reflects export-grade precision. Golden Yoke's commitment to quality begins at the nutrition level.
Weave. Inside nesting zones, white leghorn breeder hens lay fertilized eggs in clean, padded nesting boxes.
At Golden Yoke, precision and hygiene are paramount. Our automated systems guarantee the perfect
Check the metrics on lane 3. All parameters are within the healthy range, fully compliant.
The uniformity on this group is remarkable. Look at the vitality scores.
Confirmed. They meet the Golden Yoke standard.
Handle with care, these are the new Golden Yoke chicks.
Confirmed. Moving them to section 3 now.
Inside our expansive cage-free barns, we're establishing the foundation for premium organic egg production.
Row 5 alignment is perfect.
And the sensors are fully calibrated. We are good to go.
Calcium content is fully optimized across all feed lines.
And the shell strength analytics confirm export quality.
Golden Yoke nutrition systems adjust feed to include increased calcium content. Automated mineral dispensers activate above feed lines. Welfare and automation merge perfectly. golden yolk layer production officially starts.
Rows of eggs roll gently along centralized golden yolk conveyor belts. Soft rubberized belts prevent cracks.
The golden yolk system moves with synchronized precision, ensuring a steady and efficient flow.
Eggs move into a fully enclosed golden yolk re-washing tunnel. Warm water sprays.
Microbial reduction levels are optimal at 99.9%.
Confirmed. UV intensity is stable across all lines.
Look at that, 99.8% accuracy.
Impressive, the new calibration worked.
Check the export settings for the Japan shipment.
Looks correct, the transition is seamless.
Chemical levels are stable at 200 ppm.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady at optimal range.
Sanitation cycle complete.
Flawless execution.
The humidity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good, the backup system is maintaining the balance perfectly.
Sensors confirm uniform application on all lanes.
Excellent. The golden yolk system is performing optimally.
Eggs enter a golden yolk temperature equalization corridor. Cool air circulates gently.
The microbial reduction targets have been met across the board.
Excellent. The export compliance stamps are confirmed. We passed the audit.
After a batch completes, golden yolk conveyor systems activate automated self-cleaning mode. High-pressure
at that. Rejection is still below 0.5%.
Sorry, yes. The golden yolk system is really performing.
Another batch successfully certified by Golden Yolk standards.
Flawless documentation, ready for export.
The defect rate is holding steady at 0.1%.
Excellent. Automation is clearly optimized.
Temperature in Zone 3 remains stable at 2 degrees Celsius.
Humidity levels are also optimal across the board.
All batch codes scanned and verified. Compliance certificates are attached digitally.
Excellent. Looks like we are cleared for rapid export.
Batch 456 confirmed for Europe.
Acknowledged. Sending final commands now.